Okay, so we start off with rain. We still have a little bit of some wind out there tonight, and yes, some rain. We need to get through that, but everyone's looking out here, out west, and this is interesting. I want to get right to this. This is the winter storm. Here's the coast of California. See the comma shape right there? That is the forming storm, and if you'll note, it's over the Pacific. So what are we representing here? This is the flight path. That's a C-130 that they flew today, a little model version of that. That is the Hurricane Hunter aircraft, and they went out and they did what they call dropsondes, which is taking the sample of the wind and the temperature and the humidity through the atmosphere. So they went out and dropped those in there so that that data is going into the models that started tonight at 7 p.m. along with the balloons out here across the nation, the weather balloons. But if you'll note, the storm's out in the ocean. There's no balloons. So that's why the Hurricane Hunters went out, and that will help the accuracy of the models. It's not an instant fix. They're going to do more of that again out here tomorrow, and then the storm will move over land. And once this thing goes, it's going to go quick. I mean, it's going to zip on by. And so we're thinking here it is Wednesday. Thursday it kind of moves inland, and then by Friday it's in Texas, and by Saturday it's here, and then Sunday the second part of that is here. So winter storm watches are already up for our area, and then this is kind of a quick look at what we're thinking now based on the blend of models. Looks very ice storm-ish across portions of Texas, heavy snow north of Oklahoma City out through Kansas, and then that follows right on up toward us, and then it really gets heavy over here because the cold air will be locked in, meeting that moisture. But this is very freezing rain, ice stormish to the south. Okay, so that's a quick look at the weekend, and no, we're not putting the inches on it just yet because I know that's going to change big time. 43 degrees right now with that rain out here and those winds 12 to 20 miles per hour. And again, this is light rain, but it's kind of raining sideways in your face if you have to step out near the Ohio River. That's going to continue to the east. We did have snow this morning. That looks like snow in the afternoon. It was not. It definitely got warm. Okay, here's a new look at the weather models. Let's jump real quick. Thursday looks pretty quiet. We go through that. Friday quietly. Not bad. Now, Saturday morning, our model has the snow. Our model is faster than any other model that I've seen so far, and that's all snow. And Saturday looks cold enough that it's all snow. Here's the punch. Uh-oh. Here comes the little warm punch. And this would start to eat the snow. And this is also sleet and maybe freezing rain on top of that. Now, how far does that line go? It looks like it goes all the way up to the northern side of the viewing area before snow collapses back in on top of that. And with that look, I'm thinking this becomes like, you know, that winter sandwich, basically snow, wintry mix, and snow back on top of it. So it's really going to be hard to pinpoint the inches today. Again, once we get that new data in, I'll have some eyeballs on that by about 2 this morning on all the models, and we'll get some better ideas. But 35 for tonight. It's going to be several inches of snow on the north side of the viewing area Saturday, Sunday, okay? It will be several. Could be 6 to 10 in spots. But there's going to be some weak spots, too, that get next to nothing. So that's why we're waiting a little bit, but it will be cold, snowy, and get ready for it.